A strong core is about more than just washboard abs. They stabilize your body, improve your posture, and boost your athletic performance. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, a strong core is non-negotiable. This 15-minute workout targets all areas of your core. You can do this workout anytime, anywhere. Ready to feel the burn and sculpt your core? This 15-minute workout is divided into 3 key parts. First, we'll kick off with a warm-up to prepare your muscles for action. Next, we'll dive into the heart of the workout, the core circuit. This sequence of exercises targets your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. Finally, we'll finish strong with a cool down. We'll stretch those hardworking abs and leave you feeling refreshed and energized. A proper warm-up is essential to get your blood flowing and prepare your muscles for the intense workout ahead. We'll start with some light cardio to raise your heart rate. Next, we'll focus on dynamic stretches that target the core and other major muscle groups. These movements will increase flexibility, improve range of motion, and ensure your body is ready to tackle the core circuit with power. Section 3. The core circuit. Our core circuit consists of 4 key exercises, each designed to target different areas of your abs. We'll be performing each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest period. Get ready for planks, crunches, bicycle kicks, and Russian twists. Remember to focus on proper form and engage your core throughout the entire circuit. Section 1. Plank power. Let's start strong with the plank, a fantastic exercise that engages your entire core. Get into a push-up position with your forearms on the floor, elbows aligned below your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position, maintaining a tight core and engaged glutes. The plank strengthens your abs, back, and shoulders, improving posture and stability. If you're new to planks, start with shorter holds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Remember, good form is key. Section 2. Crunch time. Next up, we have the classic crunch. This exercise targets your upper abs, helping you sculpt that coveted six-pack. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, supporting your neck without pulling. Engage your core and lift your shoulders off the ground, curling towards your knees. Focus on using your abdominal muscles to power the movement, not your neck or shoulders. For an extra challenge, try incorporating a twist at the top of the crunch, bringing your right elbow towards your left knee and vice versa. Now, let's get those legs moving with bicycle kicks. This dynamic exercise targets both your upper and lower abs while engaging your obliques. Lie on your back with your knees bent and hands behind your head, supporting your neck. Lift your shoulders slightly off the ground and bring your right knee towards your chest while twisting your torso to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Simultaneously, extend your left leg out straight, hovering it just above the ground. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion. Finally, we'll finish strong with Russian twists, a powerful exercise for your obliques. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left, bringing your clasped hands towards each hip. Before we dive into the intense core workout, it's crucial to warm up our muscles and prepare our bodies for action. This warm-up will focus on gradually increasing your heart rate and loosening up your muscles. We'll start with some light cardio to get the blood flowing. Begin by jogging in place for 1 minute, bringing your knees up high and swinging your arms naturally. This will activate your leg muscles, core, and cardiovascular system. Next, we'll do jumping jacks for another minute. Stand with your feet together, arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs shoulder-width apart and raising your arms overhead. Jump again, returning to the starting position. Now, let's do some arm circles to loosen up our shoulders and upper body. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Rotate your arms forward in small circles for 30 seconds. Then reverse the direction and circle backward for another 30 seconds. Finally, let's engage our core with some gentle torso twists. Now that we've got our blood pumping, let's focus on dynamic stretches that target the core and other major muscle groups. Dynamic stretches involve actively moving your joints and muscles through their full range of motion. We'll begin with high knees. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Bring one knee up towards your chest as high as you can, then lower it back down and repeat with the other leg. Continue alternating legs in a running motion for 1 minute. This dynamic stretch engages your core, hip flexors, and glutes. Next, let's do some leg swings to loosen up our hips and hamstrings. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding onto a wall or chair for balance if needed. Swing one leg forward and backward in a controlled motion, gradually increasing the range of motion. Repeat with the other leg. Now we'll move on to torso twists with a wider range of motion than our earlier warm-up twists. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, arms extended out to the sides at shoulder height. Twist your upper body to the right, then to the left. Finally, let's do some arm circles with a wider range of motion to further loosen up our shoulders and upper back. Congratulations on completing the warm-up. Now you're fully prepared to dive into the core strengthening circuit. Remember to focus on proper form, engage your core throughout each exercise, and breathe deeply. Listen to your body and modify exercises if needed. The next 15 minutes will challenge you, but the rewards will be worth it. You'll strengthen your core, improve your posture, and sculpt your midsection. Are you ready to unleash your inner athlete and crush this workout? Let's do this. Well done! You've just completed a challenging and effective 15-minute abs workout. Now it's time to give those hard-working muscles the attention they deserve with a proper cool-down. This is a crucial step to help your body recover from the intense workout and prevent muscle soreness. We'll begin by gently stretching our abs. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your abdomen and take a deep breath in, letting your belly expand. As you exhale, gently pull your belly button towards your spine, feeling a stretch in your abdominal muscles. Next, let's stretch our hip flexors, which tend to get tight during core exercises. Kneel on your right knee with your left foot forward, your left knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Place your hands on your hips and gently push your hips forward, feeling a stretch in the front of your right hip. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Now we'll move on to a gentle spinal twist to release any tension in your back. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your right knee and cross your right foot over your left leg, placing your right foot flat on the floor outside your left thigh. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Then exhale and twist your upper body to the right. Finally, let's finish our cool down with some deep breathing exercises to relax our bodies and minds. Now that we've cooled down our core muscles, let's focus on some static stretches to further enhance flexibility and promote muscle recovery. Static stretches involve holding a stretch for an extended period, typically 30 to 60 seconds, to lengthen and relax the muscles. We'll start with a hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Reach forward towards your toes, keeping your back straight and your core engaged. Hold the stretch, feeling it in the back of your legs. If you can't reach your toes, simply reach as far as you can comfortably go. Next, let's stretch our quadriceps, the muscles at the front of our thighs. Stand up straight and hold onto a wall or chair for balance if needed. Bend your right knee and grab your right foot with your right hand. Gently pull your heel towards your buttock, feeling a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Now, we'll move on to a chest stretch to open up our chest and shoulders. Interlace your fingers behind your back and straighten your arms. Push your arms away from your body, feeling a stretch in your chest and shoulders. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply throughout. Congratulations on completing your 15-minute killer abs workout and cool down. You've challenged your core, strengthened your muscles, and taken a positive step towards a healthier you. Now it's time to embrace the post-workout glow and prioritize your recovery. First and foremost, rehydrate your body by drinking plenty of water. You can also opt for a healthy post-workout snack or meal that includes protein and carbohydrates to help your muscles recover and replenish their energy stores. Aim to incorporate this 15-minute abs routine into your schedule at least 2 to 3 times per week. You can also combine it with other forms of exercise, such as cardio or strength training, for a well-rounded fitness routine. Celebrate your progress, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to a stronger, healthier you. Congratulations on completing this 15-minute killer abs workout. You've taken a powerful step towards a stronger core and a healthier you. But the journey doesn't end here. The key to seeing real, lasting results is consistency. Make this workout a regular part of your routine, and you'll be amazed at the transformation in your strength, posture, and overall fitness. Aim to complete this workout 2 to 3 times per week, with rest days in between to allow your muscles to recover and rebuild. Find a time that works best for you, whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening, and make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Consider finding a workout buddy to join you. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. While consistency is crucial, it's equally important to listen to your body and prioritize your well-being. Don't be afraid to modify exercises if you're new to working out or if you have any limitations. Remember, good form is more important than speed or intensity. Focus on engaging your core muscles and performing each exercise with control and precision. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. And don't be discouraged if you need to take rest days or modify exercises as you go. Progress takes time and effort, and it's not always linear. Celebrate your achievements, big or small, and focus on building a sustainable and enjoyable fitness routine that works for you. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when you feel strong and motivated, and days when you feel tired or discouraged. Be kind to yourself, listen to your body's cues, and don't be afraid to adjust your plans as needed. The most important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. While exercise is essential for building a strong core and a healthy body, it's only one piece of the puzzle. What you fuel your body with and how you prioritize rest and recovery are equally crucial for achieving optimal results. Make sure you're consuming a balanced and nutritious diet that provides your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to recover from workouts and build muscle. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support muscle growth, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. And don't underestimate the importance of hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Finally, prioritize rest and recovery. Your muscles need time to repair and rebuild after a workout, and getting enough sleep is crucial for this process. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Remember, fitness is a holistic journey that encompasses exercise, nutrition, rest, and mental well-being. By focusing on all aspects of your health, you'll set yourself up for success and enjoy the incredible benefits of a strong core and a healthy lifestyle.